Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss the use of insert option available in Excel. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, Econometrics, Mathematical Economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin with the insert function or insert option that we have in Excel. So if you go to home, in home tab, we have the option called insert here. Now, before you start using this option, you need to select the data or select the cell. So now I'm selecting this cell. I'm highlighting it so that you can recognize. Cell B6 is selected. Now, if you go to insert, the first option is insert cells. So you click on insert cells. In this, we have the option called shift cells right. That means the entire B6 cell will shift to the right. So you simply click OK. So you can see B6 cell is shifted to the right. Control Z. So now you have the original data. Again, go to insert. Suppose you want to insert the entire row above this cell. So if I click on insert row, you can see the new row is generated or the new row is created. Similarly, suppose you want to create the new column. So again, you select this cell, go to insert sheet columns. The new column is generated to the left of the selected cell. And similarly, the new row will be generated above the selected cell. Now, suppose you want to insert the entire worksheet. So you go to insert and here you have the option of insert sheet, which can be reflected here. So click on insert sheet and you can see new sheet is generated here, sheet 3. So that is the use of insert tab in Excel. You can insert the entire cell, column and row. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.